My name is Larry Mayville, and I was first diagnosed with COPD in 2000, the millennium. And when I was diagnosed with COPD, at the same time I quit smoking. I was in an automotive program at the time in school. I was told by the doctor through the gases and everything else to quit that program. So that's when I found out I had COPD. And I was 38 years old when I was first. One of the youngest from what I hear. So that threw me for a loop. I went into a major depression for about 2 years. The doctor put me on Paxil to keep my motivation up there. And now that I gone through this place here, it's fantastic having this to keep your momentum going. Exercise is the key to everything for us. Exercise and not just exercise and how do you say, the camaraderie everybody has here, the spirit everybody has here, and learning what COPD really is and how to manage it is the best thing.